behind the campfire playing guitar going,
Oh my god, this is too good. Man,
we're preparing ourselves for acoustic rain. What the hell is that noise? Oh god. Just circles.
yeah, okay, yeah. When morning comes, we'll head back towards the base, drop all this shit off, and then,
Nothing but buckets and dicks and guitars.
Yep.
We'll take them on.
Yep. We'll win them over with the power of love. Oh, fuck! Oh god! Alright.
Let's kill this motherfucker.
Where is he?
I really hope that was the guy.
I see him.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh wait, that's you.
Yeah.
Never mind, that's you. I'm gonna shoot him.
MGK awful music. Everybody is scattered.
It's like hitting a fucking beehive with a baseball bat.
This is fucking the most entertainment I've ever done in this game. Just wiping tears of laughter out of my eyes. That was pretty good.
Yeah, that was great. Where's Bro? Did somebody die? Okay. Oh yeah, I just got hit. He's like in the bushes somewhere. Because he was really close to hit me like that.
Yeah. We're using acoustic distraction.
Let's just pack up and go find another place to camp.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Everybody head out.
Alright, where are we heading? Towards the road?
Yeah, whatever. Oh, sweet.
I hear acoustic, but I don't see acoustic.
Wait, hold on. Wait, we're missing one of our dudes.
Yep.
That's me. I got lost.
We're
I'm
back.
sorry.
Well, we're playing a song for you until you get back towards us.
Oh god, I hear a gunshot.
Head towards the gunshot.
I see you. Okay.
That way, right by.
Alright.
We should just follow the road back to Red Town. Into our base.
I just saw his torch.
should.
Okay, yeah.
Oh god.
Run, run!
Oh god. Doesn't have a torch.
We're just running in.
Hold on. Okay, I got torch. You guys keep playing. I only see 2 people.
What
Somebody
fuck's that?
has a fucking spear in their leg.